Welcome on this tutorial. Wish all you are well. In this tutorial I am going to discuss how to install Anaconda. Before installation procedure, I will take little time to discuss what is Anaconda, what are the different features of Anaconda and why we will go with Anaconda. Starting my discussion, please subscribe my channel. It will grow my interest to upload more and more important tutorials. What is Anaconda? Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of Python and R programming language for data science, machine learning, deep learning, etc. suitable for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. It is developed and maintained by Anaconda Incorporation, which was founded by Peter Wang and Travis Oliphant in 2012. Few features of Anaconda. Anaconda contains Jupyter, Spider, etc. that are used for large data processing, data analysis and heavy scientific computing. Anaconda is a bag of Python and R libraries having 7500 plus libraries. It has easy package management and environment management facility. Package versions are managed by package management system named Conda. Anaconda comes with a wide variety of tools to easily collect data from various sources using various machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms. It helps us to instantly share exact format of programming code with others. Anaconda comes with around 1500 packages along with graphical user interface named Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator is a graphical alternative to the command line interface. By default, Anaconda includes the most recent release version of Python interpreter. The default installation of Anaconda 2 includes Python 2.7 and Anaconda 3 includes Python 3.7. Anaconda have individual edition, commercial edition, team edition, enterprise edition, professional edition. Individual edition includes Python 3.8. Now I will highlight a few points why we go with Anaconda. Anaconda is quite a handy approach to get all the tools in one place. It turns down the efforts and time. It helps us to make an easy installation of version of Python we want. It removes all admin privileges type of problems. It gives high performance computing with Anaconda Accelerate and several other components. Anaconda removes bottlenecks involved in installing the right packages while taking into consideration with compatibility with various other packages which might be encountered while we use pip. Pip is also a package management system. More or less, Anaconda eliminates the headache of trying to figure out which version or release of package X is compatible with which version release of package Y. If we use Anaconda, there is no risk of messing up required system libraries. Anaconda is a professional data science platform and Python IDE where we can use console as well as graphical user interface. We may use traditional Python, but while traditional Python gives us just a basic platform where we have to install our desired packages manually. Even in traditional Python does not have NumPy pandas installed. But for the case of Anaconda, it gives us just everything. It has the most useful package for mathematics, science, engineering already installed for us. Here, sharing codes, setting up virtual environments provides comfort to the user. To keep our project files and libraries intact, it is a great option. It's much accessible and comfortable to work with. No doubt, if we use Anaconda, it gives us comfortable working atmosphere. So from this, we got a little idea on Anaconda. Now entering into the installation of Anaconda. Starting Conda installation. In my browser, searching anaconda.com. Here we can see individual edition, commercial edition, team edition, enterprise edition, professional service, etc. I will go with individual edition. So this is the position where I will download Anaconda individual edition. This for Windows and it is with Python 3.8 and for 64-bit machine. The file size is around 477 MB. Clicking this download button, start download. So download started. It will take a little time. It depends on internet speed also. I am fast forwarding the video. Anaconda executive file has been downloaded. Taking it. This is Anaconda 3 exe file. Before installing, I am creating a folder where I want to install this Anaconda software. In my C drive, I am creating a folder, putting the name Anaconda 3. Now running this exe file to start installation. Next, I agree with this agreement. Here I am selecting install for just me. Next, now I am selecting the destination folder, browse, entering into my C drive and selecting the folder Anaconda 3 which just I have created. Okay, now see, this is the destination folder Anaconda 3 under C drive. Next, two options are here. Add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. Another one is registered Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.8. As here it is recommended not to add Anaconda 3 into the path environment variable, so I am leaving first option unchecked. I am registering Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.8, so I am checking this option. Next, install. Installation started. Again it will take a little time. Installation is going on. We may click show details button to see the process. It is showing completed. An indication came setup was completed successfully. So clicking next button. I may install PyCharm through this link. I shall do it later. Again next. For me it took around 4 minutes to install. I am unchecking this too. Anaconda individual edition tutorial and getting started with Anaconda. Both I am unchecking at this moment. Clicking finish button. So Anaconda installation part is completed. Now checking whether Anaconda has been installed or not. In desktop search box I am typing Anaconda prompt. See, this is Anaconda prompt. I am opening this. What is here? In the prompt I can see this is my user, and here at the start of this, inside the parenthesis, base is written. This base indicates default Anaconda environment. We may change this environment. What is environment? How to change it? I'll discuss it later. Now for checking whether the Anaconda has been installed perfectly or not, in this command prompt I am giving the command conda version, conda -version. See, here it is showing conda 4.10.1. This is the version of conda which has been installed. So it indicates that conda has been installed perfectly. Again I may use conda info. See here, all the information regarding conda has been displayed here. Conda version, conda build version. The Python version is also here displayed. This 3.8 and different other informations are here. We may use conda list also. This Conda list provides what are the different packages already have been installed with Conda installation. See, these are the different packages already installed. Number of packages already installed with Conda. See here, very popular NumPy, which has been installed here. Very popular Pandas, which is also installed here. So this is one advantage of using Anaconda. Not only Python, number of necessary packages and libraries have already been installed with Anaconda. We may check Python installation location by where Python. See, this is the Python executive file which has been installed under Anaconda 3 folder in C drive. To see the Python version, we may write Python --version. See here, the Python version, it is indicated Python 3.8.8. Next, I am searching here Anaconda Navigator. See here, this is the Anaconda Navigator. I am opening this one. Anaconda Navigator is a graphical user interface that is automatically installed with Anaconda. Navigator will open if the installation was successful. This is Anaconda Navigator. From here we can run different applications. See here, says Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, Spider, RStudio. Different applications already have been installed here. So it indicates that Anaconda has been installed perfectly in my system. From this discussion, we got an idea on Anaconda. What is Anaconda? What are the different features of Anaconda? What are the different advantages if we work with Anaconda? And lastly, we came to know how to install Anaconda in my Windows system. In next tutorial, I'll try to give an idea how to start with Anaconda. What are the different instructions to manage different packages, how the environment can be managed, etc. Please subscribe, put your comments and queries in comment section.